There's a new strategy more creators are using to blow up on YouTube right now. I shared this before with my students, and some of them got massive results. Let me show you one of the testimonials of students that use it to get over 22,000 subscribers and over 900,000 views on his video. So look at what the student said. God bless you. This works like magic and it made me reach 1,000 views in 30 minutes. So after watching this video and you apply everything I'm about to show you in this video, in the next 24 to 48 hours, if you don't get up to 1,000 subscribers and even thousands of views on your videos, come to the comment section of this video and report yourself. Now, let me show you this student's channel. Before he implemented this strategy, he had less than 1,000 subscribers. Right now, he has over 22,400 subscribers. And some of his videos have gone on to get 900,000 views, 700,000 views, 100,000, and the rest of them. One simple strategy applied just the way I explained it. Now, in this video, I'm not just going to talk about this strategy and exactly how to use it to get your first 1,000 subscribers in 24 hours. I'm going to show you 3 extra secrets that if you implement the 3 of them, it's going to be instant. The way you get subscribers and watch hours will surprise you. This one is guaranteed. Like a student have tested it and gotten results. Now, the third secret hack I will share with you in this video can literally take a channel from 100 subscribers to 2,000 subscribers in 24 hours. This is the most powerful way of getting subscribers. In fact, most powerful way of getting YouTube algorithm to recognize you. You don't want to miss this part. If you've ever struggled on YouTube to grow your YouTube channel, this is that secret you've been looking for. So let's get into it. If you look at this channel, you see that it has a video of 902,000 views, another video with 731,000 views, another one with 106,000, you have 70,000, 66,000. He implemented everything I shared on that particular video. So now that you see that this works, let's get in and I'll show you exactly how to use it for your own channel. I'm also going to show you what to do and what not to do, because if you don't implement it the right way, it might end up hurting your channel. This strategy is all about taking advantage of traffic that's already going on. YouTube has a way of promoting certain videos. As a smart creator, as a beginner, all you need to do is to take advantage of those videos that already have traffic. So YouTube simply picks your own video and start promoting it. What I'm about to share with you right now is legal, is legit. YouTube approved it. So every channel that applied it, that are eligible for monetization, are monetized. There's no issues with it. This hack is all about you taking advantage of viral videos in your niche. Now, I advise you do it with videos in your niche so you'll be able to make money from that video and still retain the subscribers and watch hours that the videos are driving to your channel. So this is what you are going to do. The first step is to open your YouTube channel. Once you open YouTube, the home page, you are going to come to this place. I want you to go to the search bar right now and type an important keyword in your niche. Now you're going to do, when you do it, you're going to see these videos. Now I want you to pay close attention here. We are only working with short videos. The reason is because it's so easy to go viral with short videos. So you need to scroll down here and look for videos with at least 1 million views on it. The moment you find a video, the next thing you want to do is to go to the comment section of that video and make sure that this video got at least 1,000 comments. Look at the likes on that video. Make sure that the video got at least 1,000 likes. Look at the time the video was uploaded. All you need to do is to click on this button here and you're going to see when the video was uploaded. Once you see all of this, and this is a recent video getting 1 million view plus, so the next thing you want to do is to react to the video. But like I said, it's not just about reacting, because not everybody reacting to videos get the views. I'm going to show you the exact hack, the exact secret this student here applied that made him get over 900,000 views on one of his videos, and then another video with 731,000 views. You just have to play smart and follow me to the end. Okay, so once you find the video, it has to be a video that gives value. Value could be teaching something, it could be educational, it could be motivating, it could be, funny video, whatever it is. You can also look at this button here to find how many people shared the video. The next thing I want you to do is to please go on and watch this video from beginning to the end. Don't go immediately and react to the video. No, watch the video from beginning to the end. So you get to know the things that are said in the video. Reaction videos that are getting views are not simply because they reacted. It's because the person reacting to the video added extra thing that even gave more value to the video. That's exactly what this student did. So for example, if you look at this video here, can you see his facial reaction, guys? Can you see that? This face is enough to get you curious to know what the video is about. The next thing I want you to do is to go on and click on this button. Now, remember, I'm about to give you 2 extra secrets nobody has ever told you about using this strategy to get your first 1,000 subscribers and tens of thousands of views on your video. So don't miss that part. So once you click on this, it's going to open for you to react to the video. The next thing I want you to do is to make sure you are reacting with a tripod stand. Like, don't hold the phone on your hand. So you'll be able to express yourself. Go on and click on this to react. Don't be boring in your reaction because it's going to make people not to like that video. You have to be very expressive. If it's a time to clap, clap. If it's the time to laugh, laugh very well. If it's time to shout, shout very well. Okay, so now that you're done reacting to the video, the next thing is to go on and click on next. Okay, the video is ready. Go through the video and look for the most interesting part of the video. Okay, and then grab a screenshot of that. We need it while uploading this video because it's what is going to make sure that we get the thousands of subscribers we are looking for in 24 hours. So now that the video is ready, you click on this. This is where you add thumbnail to a short video. So you can import the thumbnail you want to use for the video. Okay, so now you know the most interesting part. You're going to play the video to the point where this video got very interesting. Then make sure that the place you are using as the thumbnail of the video is the part of the video that is very interesting and the part of the video you have a very funny reaction. It has to be, your face has to be very funny for you to get attention. Now let's look at this. Can you see this here? Can you see this here? Can you see this? You're just wondering, what is it about this video? Let me go and watch it. That's one of the biggest secrets this creator is using to get 900,000 views, 700,000 views. Okay, now that's not all. I'm about to share 2 more secrets. So the moment you are done doing this, go to the search bar of YouTube and look for the keyword that brought this video here. Okay, get the keywords, look at the hashtags that the creator used, get the hashtags. Now get to the title of the video and use those keywords and the hashtags. Get to the description of the video, use those keywords and hashtags. Now here is the biggest secret. In the title of that video, I want you to mention the creator. A lot of you don't know that you can mention a big creator. What it does is that once you say at, you put the creator's handle, the creator will appear there. It will be highlighted in blue. Now, this is where it matters. Because you mentioned this creator, and that's in, remember, this creator is a big creator with hundreds of thousands of subscribers and millions of views on their videos. Now, every time someone searches the name of this creator, instantly your videos will be one of those ones that will appear here. So how did I know? I searched my name on YouTube search bar, and then I was surprised that after showing me my own videos, I saw other people's videos that just popped up because I searched my name, and I was wondering how come they don't have same name with me. We never shared video, but when I searched my name, their own videos popped up. So I had to go through this, and I found out what secret. These people all mentioned my name on their video. In the title of their video, they mentioned my name at, they put Chiamaka Okoli. Just because they put at and put my name there, automatically their videos start popping up every time you search my name on YouTube. Now imagine doing this with a creator that has 10 million subscribers, hundreds of millions of views on their videos. Every time people search their name, your own video will pop up. Guys, there's nothing as big as this. If you're tired of not getting views and subscribers, this is exactly what you're going to do. Where do you put this at? The title of the video. In the description section of the video. If you can put it in the title and the description, anywhere it goes is fine. Just make sure that the name of the big creator is here. Now, here is the next thing you should not do. Do not use random videos. Any video that you see that is going viral, you put it here. Except you don't care whether those people subscribing and watching the video are your audience or not. But if you care, if you're building a brand that you want to grow the channel and monetize for a long time, make sure that what you're doing is in your own niche. so it doesn't end up driving the kind of people that are not interested in your other content, because the goal is to help you get traffic. Then you then go back to your original content. So if you're creating this content, reacting to content that already doing what you do, you will no longer struggle to get your own videos and then create long videos, because this audience is exactly who you are. Now, the final thing you want to do is, while you are reacting to these videos, learn to make your own video, alternate it. So as people come, they see the reaction videos, they enjoy this. The next thing they see is your own original video. So they get to know you, like, and trust you. If you do this, you're going to get thousands of subscribers and hundreds of thousands of views. As you can see from this creator right here, this is somebody that implemented what I shared in this video here. And can you see what happened? Channel blew up overnight. Now, to get 1,000 subscribers in the next 24 to 48 hours, you have to upload more videos on a daily basis, maybe 4 or 5 videos every single day. If you do it in the next 7 days, you will move from 300 subscribers you are right now to 5,000, 10,000 subscribers. This student here did it. So if you're tired of not getting views, if you're tired of not getting subscribers, go on and implement this right now.